Hello and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have AMAZFIT GTS 4, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up the alarm clock on this watch. So let's get started. And the first thing we need to do is to wake up the screen. You can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, press the crown button again to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu, look for the alarm icon, which should be somewhere here. Where is it? Oh, there it is. I missed it. So we have the alarm icon right here. And once you find the alarm icon, tap on it. And as you can see, we have this plus button. We can tap on it. And now we can set up our alarm clock. And you can set the hour on which it should go off by swiping up and down on the hours and minutes. Then tap on the check mark to confirm. And now we can edit some more options. We have the time again. You can edit it again if you want to change it. You can change the repeat option, basically how often the alarm goes off. And by default, it will be set to only once. So it will go off and it won't repeat anymore. But you can select, for example, every day. So it will repeat every day. Or we have the custom, and you can choose specific day you want for them or for the alarm to go off. And once you're done, you can then swipe right on the screen to go back. And of course, after you're done editing your alarm, tap on the check mark to confirm, and the alarm will be added. You can add multiple alarms as well, like this. And as you can see, we have two now. You can turn them on or off. You can edit the alarms by tapping on the alarm and then changing the options for it, and of course confirming by the check mark. And you can also remove the alarms by scrolling down, and I believe if you tap on the X button, it will remove the alarm itself. Okay, and that's how you set up the alarm clock on this watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.